Good morning. I'm meteorologist Nicole Masensic. As we go into the afternoon, it's going to turn really breezy, winds gusting up to about 30 miles per hour. We're also going to see wind chills in the 20s, even though temperatures will eventually make it up to about 34 degrees. It will feel more like the 20s out there because of that wind chill. 31 in Peru, 32 in Muncie. We're going to see 33 in Noblesville, 32 degrees in Lebanon, a few flurries as we head late into the afternoon. And some of those sticking around for the evening and into tonight, too. Scattered flurries for your evening planner down to 30 degrees. Tonight dropping to 23. Those skies clear. It's going to be cold and brisk. I think a few spots may have wind chills in the single digits tomorrow morning, but the teens are definitely going to be likely. Then as we head all the way through tomorrow afternoon, lots of sunshine. 35 degrees will be your high, and as we go into the weekend, it's going to start to warm up as early as Sunday. 49 degrees on Sunday, Monday rain likely 52, and then we could be close to 60 as we head into Christmas Eve.